Hey there, this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel, and this is my 1984 Volkswagen Vanagon barn find project. Well, progress. Finally some progress. So without further ado, let me show you this. It cranks. And in the end, yeah, the problem was the battery cable going to the starter. Now, I didn't want to replace that right away because it runs over the gas tank, and I didn't want to have to drop the gas tank. Also, there's the big cable which runs all the way directly to the starter, but there's also a couple of smaller cables there, and given the hack job I was looking at in the van, I didn't know really what I was looking at, so in the end, I was also concerned that maybe I hadn't bought enough battery cable. Now, I just kind of guesstimated that it would be 8 feet, so I bought 9 feet. And I was looking up the specifications for the starter cable yesterday, and it came in at like 9 feet 3 inches. I'm like, oh, just that short. So last night I ordered 10 feet, but today I figured, you know what, let me see if I can fit in the cable I do have. And I was able to route the 9 feet of cable I have with just enough slack end to end, connected it to the battery terminal, crimped a lug onto the starter end of it, and then just did trial and error for which of the smaller cables was still needed, and put it in, hooked up the battery, and it cranks. Clearly it's not starting right now. I think that's due to a couple of issues. Not that I want it to start right away. I'm definitely not here in the fuel pump cycle. I think the fuel pump is dead, but I was under the van just tapping on the gas tank, and it sounds completely hollow, completely empty. So I don't know if I'm going to have time to do anything else today. It's still early in the day, but I've got a lot of stuff I need to do around the house. But this is big progress. It will crank. So if it cranks, I'm reasonably sure it's going to run too. So I may or may not film more if I do more work later today. If I do, what I'm probably going to do is disconnect the lines at the gas tank, see if anything comes out. I'm guessing it probably won't. And then replace the fuel pump because I have a new one. And for now, I'll probably run the fuel pump directly off just an auxiliary gas can, just to see if it'll start. But that's what it is for now. Great progress. At least great progress for me. So this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel. Thanks for watching.